Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I will show you how to use copying and pasting features on this laptop. First, let me create a text document to show you how copying and pasting features work with text. Now let's enter some sample text into this document. And now to copy this text or part of this text, you have to select it using the left key of your mouse and then right click and select copy, or just use Ctrl+C combination of keys instead, and then to paste this text, right click and paste, or use Ctrl+V combination of keys. You can also cut the text out by selecting it and either right clicking and selecting cut, or holding Ctrl and pressing X, and then Ctrl+V to paste again. Additionally, you can use the Clipboard feature to enable it. Use Windows and V buttons simultaneously and then select turn on right here. And now you can copy different parts of text, and by pressing Windows V you can paste any part of the text that you copied. And that's how it works. Now let me show you how it works with files in your File Explorer. So let's go to the File Explorer. Let's open, for example, the videos folder, screen recordings, and here we have that screen recording that was previously made. Now to copy it, you can either click on it and then click on the copy option right here. You can also cut it out by clicking the cut option right here. You can right click it and select either copy or cut. And then to paste, once you copy this file, to paste it, you can either use this icon right here, right click, paste, or Ctrl+V. And as you can see, the video was successfully copied into different directory. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.